Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the watch has a charged battery and the crown is secure. A weak battery can block settings. Next, wake the display by tapping the center zone, then swipe or tap mode until time mode appears. Once in time mode, press and hold the center touch for about 2 seconds to open the configuration menu. This engages the watch's setting state, allowing the date to be adjusted. Make sure your wrist is steady. Accidental touches change selections. Once the setting menu is active, you'll see day, month, and year fields. Tap the upper touch zone to increment a field or the lower zone to decrement it. Holding either accelerates scrolling. Move between fields by tapping the center to confirm the current value. This shifts focus from day to month to year. You do this because the Tissot Touch separates fields to avoid accidental shifts. Take your time. Use short taps for one-step moves and holds to quickly pass through large ranges. After setting day, month, and year, press the center touch to confirm the final field and then exit the menu. This action saves the new date. If your model supports phone or GPS sync, make sure synchronization is enabled so the watch maintains accuracy automatically. If the date won't change, try removing any protective crown cover, reboot the watch, or replace a weak battery. These fixes resolve most non-responsive controls. If issues persist, consult an authorized service center for calibration or sensor checks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.